Man, this Piscifun is on fire today. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're doing a review of this Piscifun Venom 5000. It's right here. Oh, Jack. Alright, so this Piscifun Venom 5000 retails for $46 off Amazon. There's a link down below. You can click on it and get yourself one of these. Now, for that price, I think this is a tremendous value. I think this reel, being a 5000 size, is probably worth $120 if you compare it to what the competition is doing. And it performs really well. I took it with me both fishing, kayak fishing, fishing from the shore, fishing from bridge. I hooked a bunch of fish with it. I landed a bunch of fish, and I mean, it felt like when I was casting with it, I was throwing gold, I was throwing lures, and it was really light. It felt light to me. It felt like I could just keep going and fishing. Let me just give you some specs about this reel. It weighs about 13 ounces, but to me it feels really light. It's made out of aluminum. The spool is aluminum. It has this really thick wire right here, really thick, really strong. It has a seal drag right here. It has a really strong handle that I like a lot because you want to hold on to something when you really fish in. Oh yeah, we got fish, we got fish. Am I recording? Oh yeah, it's pulling. This is really good. It's an oversized handle, so it's designed to fight those big fish.
Nice snapper, no grunt.
It's a grunt?
Yep.
White
Big
grunt. Nice, dude, that's a monster grunt.
Hey, Piscifun got the first fish.
I
took a fishing with me on the kayak. I splashed some water on and I started making the same sound. And I go, what is wrong with these reels? Anyways, fast forward a day or two later, it dried up and took it fishing out again, and it was like working like brand new. I don't know what happened. Maybe it's like a car engine that you have to put it through the pace, and after you use it for a while, it's voila, it works and everything is amazing. Maybe that's what happened, I don't know. But anyways, right now it's working really well. You don't hear that crazy sound other than the ball bearing running over, because I mean any reel does this. The sound that you hear right there, any reel does it. Even my Shimano's Tri-CI 4 Plus that costs $220 does that sound. But anyway, what I just gave you is my honest opinion about it. It's a great reel. I will buy it myself. Actually, if you're in the market for a budget reel and all you have to spend is $46, I think this is your answer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to check the links down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay fishing, my friends.